Hi, Gordon here, and thanks for joining us. This Master Affiliate Profits Review video has been made to outline the problems and to offer a solution of how newbie affiliate marketers don't know how to get started. Plus, they don't have the tools they need or products to promote. Master Affiliate Profits, or M.A.P as we call it, is an integrated affiliate marketing ecosystem providing both the tools and training that you'll need. At the same time, a comprehensive set of relevant products you can promote is available, and there's an active community of members, all only too willing to help with anything you need. Let's take a quick look at how this all happens.
You're about to discover a groundbreaking system that's shaking up the affiliate marketing world. Affiliate marketing is the fastest way to make money online, but the key to your success is not about working your butt off to hopefully earn a few measly commission payments. Instead, you need to be part of an affiliate ecosystem that pays you over and over again while building your list. Master Affiliate Profits, or M.A.P as we like to call it, is exactly what you need. In the fast-paced digital world, you can't afford to lag in any aspect of online marketing. That's why the M.A.P ecosystem contains all the tools and training that you need. And M.A.P even pays you to build your list. With M.A.P, you're not just part of the online business race, you're leading it. Let me introduce you to the powerhouse of resources that M.A.P offers. M.A.P Module 1, List Building. Uncover strategies to create a robust, responsive, and targeted email list, your ultimate asset in digital marketing. M.A.P Module 2, Email Marketing. Master the art of persuasion and conversion through compelling email campaigns that get opens and get clicks. M.A.P Module 3, Traffic. Learn to drive substantial quality traffic to your affiliate offer, converting clicks into customers. M.A.P Module 4, Video Marketing. Harness the power of video content to captivate your audience and get them to buy whatever you recommend. M.A.P Module 5, Creating Bonuses. Discover the secrets to crafting irresistible bonuses that skyrocket your leads and sales. M.A.P Module 6, Social Media. Dive into effective social media strategies that build your list and foster a huge loyal following. M.A.P Module 7, Ads Marketing. Navigate the world of digital advertising like solo ads and PPC ads to maximize reach and ROI. M.A.P Module 8, Banners and Graphics. Create visually stunning graphics and banners that grab attention and get you hordes of clicks. M.A.P Module 9, Blogging. Explore blogging techniques to establish authority, drive traffic, and engage readers. The M.A.P affiliate ecosystem is tailor-made for anyone aspiring to earn consistent, reliable money in the world of affiliate marketing, regardless of your experience level. M.A.P isn't just a system, it's your gateway to affiliate marketing success. Check out Master Affiliate Profits today, and let's embark on this affiliate journey together.
So, I hope you found that useful. Master Affiliate Profits shows how you can get started in affiliate marketing and start learning and earning right now. I've added a link in the description below this video, just down there, check it out below the video. So go and check it and see what you think. And again, you can get started right now on a totally free account and see what M.A.P has to offer you. I look forward to seeing you as a M.A.P member.